Week 29, Monday's morning work. Our first problem, we're converting ounces to cups and then cups to ounces. So we know that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. That is the conversion. So if we have 16 ounces and we want to figure out how many cups, we need to take our 16 and divide it by 8 because there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. When we do that, 16 divided by 8 equals 2. So 16 ounces equals 2 cups. Let's take a look at 56 ounces. We need to convert 56 ounces to cups. Again, you take your 56 and divide it by 8 because there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. So go ahead and solve 56 divided by 8. This one is opposite now. Now we have cups, and we need to convert cups to ounces. So we take our 5 cups, and now we're doing the opposite, so we are multiplying times 8 to figure out how many ounces there are. 5 times 8 equals 40. So 5 cups equals 40 ounces. 4 cups equals how many ounces? Go ahead and solve for this one. 4 times 8. And that will give you the amount of ounces in 4 cups. The next one, find the value of the underlined digit. So the 8 is underlined. We start at our decimal and we go over ones place, tens place, hundreds place. The next one, you have to figure out what comes after hundreds place, and that's what the 8 is in. 962.69. The 6 is in the tens place, so ones place, tens place, is blank the value of the 6 in the tenths place. So I underline both 6's. On the line right here, it is asking you to write, is the 6 the same as the value of the 6 in the tens place, or is the 6 in the tens place different from the value of the 6 in the tens place? So you're either writing the same as or different from for that one. This one, we're converting milliliters to liters. So this is where we are going to write King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. That will help us with our conversions. So we are going from milliliter. We don't know how many milliliters equals 6 liters. So we are starting at liters. We know liters is a unit. So we're starting from here and we're going to milliliters, which is the M. So we're going over 1 space, 2 space, 3 spaces. Going from left to right, we multiply. So we're going to do 6 times 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros because we moved over 3 spaces. 6 times 1,000 equals 6,000. So go ahead and follow these same exact steps for all the other ones. The last one, a builder had several boxes of nails that were partially full. 1/7, 6/7, 5/7, and 4/7. If he reorganized the nails so each box had the same quantity, the same amount, how full would each box be? I'm going to write down what we have. One is 1/7 full. The next is 6/7 full, 5/7, and 4/7. We want all the 4 boxes to have the same amount in them. So we need to add up our 4 numbers to find out what our total amount is. We have the same denominator across, so we can add our numerators. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Then we continue on. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So in total, we have 16 over 7. And we want to divide this by 4 and share them equally among 4 different boxes so that there is the same amount. So we take our 16 sevenths and we're dividing by 4/1. We can make this easier for ourselves, and we can make it a multiplication problem, or we could solve like this. So if we did 16 divided by 4, that equals 4. 7 divided by 1 equals 7. I'm also going to show you the multiplication way. 16, 7. So we're going to flip this so it becomes 1/4. We see that we can do 16 divided by 4. So we cross that out, becomes a 1. That becomes a 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 7 times 1 equals 7. So we got 4 sevenths both ways. So each nail box has 4 sevenths in them if they were shared equally.